Hello, beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time of day you may be in. I am a woman on a mission this morning. And I just wanted to jump on to kind of encourage you guys to not give up. And don't get weary in your waiting. You know, I have been uploading a video every single day for the month of March. And today is what? Let's see here what today is. Today is March the 20th. So for 20 days, we have been uploading a video every single day. And I am not a techie. I just jumped in head first. Didn't really know what I was doing when I started this YouTube channel. And I almost got a little discouraged. And I'm going to tell you why. I went to upload, I went to edit, which is not easy, and it kept saying, this is full, this storage is full, that storage is full. So I went to purchase what I thought was more storage, which was not the case. And I don't want to just go in and delete this or delete that, and then I lose everything. So I'm deleting, I'm clearing, I'm deleting, I'm clearing, and I'm thinking that that was going to help with my storage. It did not. So we are on a mission. We have to go to Best Buy. We have to go to the phone company. And my specs. I got my specs on so I can see you guys. My new specs. Just some Bottega, inspired by Bottega earrings. Amazon necklace. I believe I got this from TJ Maxx. And my little jumpsuit that we got from Walmart. So I will show you guys the outfit. But I almost got a little discouraged. It happened last night and I said, you know what? Get up. Go do what you have to do to see if we can fix this problem. I even tried to video on my phone. It's saying that the storage is full. And so here we are. We are out this morning because why? We are not going to give up. We are not going to give up. When the enemy tries to throw things at you, you block and you keep it moving. So that's what we're doing this morning. We're going to keep it moving in spite of. And I'm not giving up because this is going to be a good day. In spite of, it's kind of gloomy out. But it's going to still be a good day. It is going to be a good day in spite of. In spite of what I see, in spite of what I'm going through, we're going to press on today. And we got to get my glasses tightened because they pushing down on my nose. So we are going to do a little 1-2 this morning. And we're not going to hope and pray. We're not going to keep our fingers crossed. We're going to speak it. That this problem will be resolved today. So that we can continue to bring you Mona's Mixx for the month of March. We're not giving up. We're not going to give up. Not feeling the greatest today on this gloomy. It's kind of wet out. But it's going to be okay. It's going to be okay. So we're going to run into TJ Maxx because Best Buy doesn't open up until 10. And it's early. Your girl is on a mission. She got out here early. And we're going to keep it moving. So don't give up. Don't get weary in your waiting. And continue to keep pressing forward. When the front door closed, go to the back door. If the back door is closed, go to one of them windows. Go to one of them windows. And if the window is locked, go to another window. But don't give up. You got this. You got this. And I believe in you. I believe in you. Mona Style Mixx, she believes in you. And you can do anything that you put your mind to it. Don't give up. Keep going. Keep pressing forward. You got this, okay? And if you like these type of videos, give me a thumbs up, a heart, leave me a comment, and share. Tell a friend, because we are all in this together, okay? Let's run into TJ Maxx. See you soon. So here we are in TJ Maxx, and beautiful people, I am still on the hunt for a red purse. Not that one, but I am on the hunt for a red purse. Not too small, sort of on the larger size, similar to like a tote. If you have any idea where I can get one, comment down below and let me know. because it's hard out here in these streets trying to find one. But she would be cute. That right here for the summer. Nice cute little summer bag. Don't sleep on TJ Maxx. Got a lot of coastal. Last time we were, I like that lily. Still not a lot of silver. We just burning up some time till Best Buy open up. Not looking for anything in particular. We always have to take a look at the sunglasses. And that pink pair is gone, so I guess it was not meant for us to get. Beautiful people, God is good. God is good all the time, and all the time my God is good. I'm so excited. I'm trying to, I be having all them tabs opened up in my head, and I just be like clicking on stuff and reaching up, grabbing it, and sometimes the right words do not come out. But we dipped into TJ Maxx, and I had to get something. Look at the sun. We went from gloom and loom to sunshine, and I am excited about that. But we still ain't hanging out in these streets. We going back home. But let me try to get these out for you guys. And my glasses, my specs, they have a tint on them, but they're still, because I'm so light sensitive, they still slow down. Take some deep breaths, Mama. Sometimes when we get overwhelmed, we just have to take some deep breaths. But my glasses, they do, and now I'm seeing like red because I'm looking not into the sunlight, but the sunlight is facing me. But my sunglasses, they do turn a little darker, but they're still not helpful with the sun. They help a little bit, but not all the way. My eyes are watering and I'm seeing bursts of red. But anywho, we got these cute little sunnies from TJ Maxx. Let me see if I can perch you guys up somewhere. Let's see, light sensitive. I still need to get the. We're gonna do that. It's starting to warm up a little bit. And so we are going to, and they're dirty too. I don't have anything to clean them, so we're just gonna slip them on right quick. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? So these are Jessica Simpson's, a little clear, like a little, you know what? I have like a mirrored sunglass. We're gonna go home and look at our inventory, and these might have to go back, because they're real mirrored. I just like the clear frame of them. But Ashley, Goodness gracious. Ashley got us together, you guys. She did something. She was working so fast. She was like... She was working so fast and she cleared something out on that phone. So we do have some more storage, but we are going to still run into Best Buy because I'm not able to take the stuff, my pictures and videos off my phone and upload them to my laptop. The laptop is old, but I'm just now starting to learn how to use it. So it's still new to me. So thank you guys. The sun is shining and we're going to take care of what we need to take care of in Best Buy. And then we are going to head home. So see you in a minute. Let's run into Best Buy. And remember, hold on a minute. Remember when I said don't give up? The enemy wants to discourage you, and that's exactly what he tried to do. But we came out this morning. We pressed forward. The sun is now shining. Things were taken care of on our phone. And I have faith to believe that this laptop situation, that's going to be taken care of too. So let's run into Best Buy. It's so beautiful out here. We might just want to go home and open up the windows and let the fresh air in. It's my Coach fanny pack. I know it's from out of the men's section. I didn't go to the store and purchase it. I purchased it from a family member. So let's go on to Best Buy. Got Nikes. I mean, New Balance. Lord have mercy. My New Balance.